Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on the right front for a Chevy Volt 2011 to 2015. The video is at double speed. It doesn't take long at all to do this, so I sped it up for you. You've got two, I believe, 9/32 bolts in there and one behind there. Pretty sure they're 9/32. You can probably use an 8mm too, I guess would be the same. A little bit of WD-40 on the channels on the up and down. Everything goes much smoother, works much better. Pop off the panel. You've got one cable that goes to the handle, and you've got just to unplug the wiring harness. You've got a couple more small bolts inside, and then pull the glass up, grab your suction cup, Harbor Freight Tools, $2.99. If it won't go up, you can cut the metal cable. Don't cut any electrical cables, but you can certainly cut the metal cable. By the way, if this video is beneficial for you, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video, so that other people, such as yourself, can find it on YouTube. Now you're going to get a 10mm socket. It's going to go right in there. To loosen the nuts that hold the clips onto the glass. This really is the easiest one you're ever going to do, once I find the correct socket. And then you've got 5 10mm bolts that hold the regulator to the door. Let's take those out. The new regulator comes with the motor, and there are people that have been replacing just the clips, but I've been replacing the entire regulators. It's just easier. It comes with the motor. Grab the new one. You've already got a couple 10mm bolts in there at the top, so you can line that up. Let's put the bolts back in. Plug it back in. Oh, I didn't plug it in yet. If you have any questions, and you shouldn't, this is pretty easy, but if you do, just ask them right here on YouTube, and I'll be glad to answer them within a day or so. Probably went around the other side to turn the car on, and we're going to reconnect the window switch, and we're going to put the clips all the way up till they get to the glass. Now, one thing you may have to do on this is pull the clip towards you a little bit. Sometimes they don't go on both sides of the glass properly. Obviously, you want them around the glass when you tighten it down. Sometimes they do. Just tighten that down. Let's try everything out. Oh, I think that might be a good example. That might have been a situation where they did not go on both sides of the glass right away. So I loosened it up. Yeah, there we go. And then tightened it back up. Everything seems to be good. And I'm sure you can watch the rest of this on your own. You don't need me for the next 60 seconds. And I appreciate you watching. Go ahead and like the video. And good luck with it. Thanks.